Welcome back to another DIY session. Today's DIY is all about this handmade flower, which usually you can see in the bridal bouquets I prepare, or bridesmaid bouquet which I prepare, or maybe the family flowers. So let's get started of this beautiful flower. For this I will be making use of 1-inch satin ribbon, any color, green, then green floral tape, a thread, lighter, then a piece of cotton, and then a string. So first of all, what we are going to do is just give a small bend to the string and wrap the string top with the cotton so that I'll get a bud shape. So you can see, and then just secure the cotton to the stem, that is a string, tightly so that it will not fall off. Now once it is done, what we are going to do is we are just going to take once again the satin ribbon, preferably any length but little lengthier one, and wrap the cotton so that it is not visible in the form of a bud, as you can see how I've done there. Once again secure it tightly using the thread. So once it is done, you can just cut the excess thread. Now it's time for the petals. So first 3 centimeters, 3 petals we are going to take. Now we have to take the 3 petals and give the shape to the petals. So first one, you can see, just take a petal and just give a small curve at both the ends on the top side of the petal. So repeat the same thing for the other 2 petals also. So once it is done, take the lighter and burn the edges so that it's a satin ribbon, there are chances of the thread to come out. And it also gives a shape to the petal. Sometimes the lighter does not work. Okay, so now what we have, now the top of the petal is done. Now for the bottom part of the petal, you have to just give a bend and just burn it a little and press it so that you will get a round curved shape petals. Now it's time for the bigger petals. For this I'll be making use of 5 centimeter petals. So the same procedure on the top, just cut a little bit of curve so you'll get a petal shape. Now take the lighter and burn the edge and then give a small twist. So you can see, and then at the bottom just fold it, burn it and press it. So you will get a petal of this kind. So already I have made use of, already I have prepared the petals of 5 centimeter. Now you have to take, so here I can see a little bit of white. So I want to cover that white. So I'll be taking a little lengthier one, mostly 6 to 7, whatever centimeter you need. It's not like compulsory this centimeter only. Now once again secure this tightly using the string or the thread. So once it is done, now it's time for the sticking of the petals. I am using the hot glue gun for sticking the petals. So first take the hot glue gun and then start sticking. The first smaller 3 centimeter 3 petals we have to stick it. Then after that we will be going for the 5 centimeter petals. So you can see the bud was not in the center, I just bought it in the center. So you have to do it like that. Now it's time for the 5 centimeter. You can take the hot glue gun directly on the flower, or else you can just put the hot glue gun on the petal and then stick it. But I'm just little bit messy with the hot glue gun, so I prefer that just take the hot glue gun on the petal and then stick it to the flower. So what we are going to do is first 3 5 centimeter petals, and after that in between we are going to stick again and we are going to repeat the same process. So here I have made use, I think so, mostly 10 to 12 petals. So you can make use of 10 to 12 or 10 to 15, whatever depends on the size of the flower you need. Just see to that you don't leave any gaps in between, or you don't overlap the petals on one on the other. Overlapping is not, it does not look on the flowers. Just go on sticking the petals in between the leaves, sorry, in between the petals, so that your flower comes out really good. So once you feel that okay, your flower is ready, and this is the desirable shape or the size of the flower, you can take a green satin ribbon once again of 1 centimeter, then sorry 1 inch and 3 centimeter length. Just fold it and then cut, give it a half leaf shape, so you will get the leaves. So once it is done, you have to take the lighter and then burn the edges. So once you burn the edges, this burning of the edges is very necessary because it is a satin ribbon and the threads may come out very easily. So as I told you, be careful with the lighter, and then sometimes if it is not working, adjust the flame. You can adjust it to higher, lower, but be careful, that's all. Now cover this with the leaves. 3 leaves are enough to cover the whole flower. So once it is done, your flower is completely ready. Only the stem is remaining. For the stem, I'll be using the green floral tape. For sticking the green floral tape, usually I don't make use of any glue, because when I just pull the green floral tape, those who use, they know it, that there is a gum like thing in the floral tape itself. So there is no need of fevicol or any other kind of glue. So now the flower is ready. So this you can use it to decorate your houses, or if you're planning to make your own bridal bouquets or any bridesmaid bouquet, or maybe a page boy flowers or family flowers, you can use it. Thank you for watching.